Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Sri Lankan-style vegetable soup. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients. You'll need a variety of vegetables like carrots, potatoes, and green beans, along with aromatic spices such as turmeric and curry powder. Don't forget the creamy coconut milk and a good quality vegetable broth. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on this flavorful journey. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get them prepped. First, wash and chop all your vegetables into roughly 1-inch pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and are easy to eat. Next, finely mince your fresh ginger and garlic. These aromatics are key to the soup's depth of flavor. Finally, measure out your spices, like 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of Sri Lankan curry powder. Proper preparation saves time and enhances taste. It's time to start cooking. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil over medium heat. Sauté your chopped onions, minced ginger, and garlic until fragrant, about 2 minutes. Then, add your prepared vegetables and all the spices, stirring well to coat everything. Cook for about 3 minutes before pouring in the vegetable broth and 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes, or until vegetables are tender. Your delicious Sri Lankan vegetable soup is almost ready. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. A final touch of fresh cilantro or a few curry leaves will add a wonderful aroma and vibrant color. Serve this hearty soup warm with a side of rice or crusty bread. It's a comforting and flavorful meal perfect for any day. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.